My name is Abdul Fattah Hassan Sheikh. I am the territory business lead for Safaricom. Today we're here to flag off Chapa Dimba Regionals Northeastern. We started with the medical camp on Saturday, 17th of February. It was a very successful medical camp. Safaricom Foundation was able to do a medical checkup for more than 3,300 residents from Garissa and surrounding. Various checkup was done, blood sugar, blood pressure, cancer screening, and many others were done. And people have really benefited, and we have seen vulnerable people coming to our medical camp to seek for support, and they've really appreciated.
My name is Mohamed Abdikadir Gabo. I'm the coach of Leon 04, Garissa County. We are Chapa Dimba finalists, and the journey to reach this level was not easy. It was a really hard journey. We have been training morning, evening, but by God's grace, today we are the level we wanted. Still, we want to maintain this title by beating the other two teams that will be coming on this weekend, inshallah. And I'm sure we're gonna maintain that title. We have been training through these weeks, not only weeks, even a month. We have been training a lot with this sun here, morning, evening. It was not easy, but hard work pays. So we all invite you to this weekend, our final game on Sunday morning against Wajir or Mandera. And thank you Safaricom Chapa Dimba. And all our fans, we expect you to support us. We need full support, inshallah. Okay. Safaricom Chapa Dimba.